Hi everyone, today we will be taking a look at the property of someplace that we just got, and I will be using this go-kart to do so. Thank you. Let's go! This is the bottom of our driveway, and this is the start of our tour. We're coming up on the house. Let's drive up. Can you see it in there? I can see it. We're opening up. Very well kept. Here's our very well kept pretty lawn, and here's the house. Here, let's go drive on the lawn. Garden.
I'm getting you in.
We have lettuce, some cilantro.
The big thing.
I think those are flowers. Big tomato plants.
Yeah, they're huge.
There are. Come over here. There are some.
That's a flower.
There are some spicy pepper plants all the way in the back.
Yeah, right there.
More lettuce. It's a lot of lettuce. All right, let's come up here.
Here's
where we keep the basil. And over here are the three cucumber plants that we have growing here. All right, let's move on to the next
Welcome
to the house. Hello. Here's the kitchen. We're making some pizza dough right now for dinner tonight. And I may just have to do a video on that as well. Cooking tools, fridge. Nice little rocking chair that's pillows are falling down. Food. And the TV, the most important part of any household. All right, here is the bedroom, the bathroom, my bedroom, my brother's bedroom, the other bathroom, the guest bedroom.
Before I go upstairs, I gotta use the bathroom, and I close the door.
And finally, the loft, where we have all our Lego, where we make all of our videos, part of the editing, and where we sometimes play. Oh, and someone can sleep there too. Let's see, the other 49 acres. All right, we're moving on to the rest of the acreage. We are moving into our little turnaround point where, well, you'll see in a moment. And then we're going to move on to the field and down to our secret little meadow that is not so secret anymore. This is our little turnaround point. Whenever we come in, we have a hybrid electric vehicle plug-in. So we plug it in on back there, so we have to turn around. Yeah, moving on to the meadow, but first we'll show you the nice blackberry and raspberry bushes. So this is the big meadow all the way out there, all the way out there, and this is where the start of all our trails will be. Actually, I'll show you the trailhead at the end of the meadow. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is where our trailhead will be once we create some trails, obviously. Our property continues past this wall, but it's all in shambles, and I really don't want to go over the wall, so I'm not going to show you. Let's head back and go to the secret meadow. Secret meadow, which is not so secret anymore. I'm going to go in the shade and take a break. This meadow, yeah, you'll see me in the next clip. That feels so much better. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, so this meadow, for one thing, has great shots of the house. For another, we will be putting like a volleyball net down here. Maybe we'll have picnics down here. This is a very cool spot, figuratively and literally, because there's a lot of shade, thank goodness. Yeah, we'll go back up to the house. Thank you for watching today's episode of house tours and property tours and whatever tours. Thank you for watching. We might make a part 2. Depending upon how much changes. I might also film another house, but we don't really have another house to do it like this on, so that's quite unlikely. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.